Good morning, Fizz.
Morning, Fizz.
Look at your mouth. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's just me and my boy today. Well, and my girl. She's sleeping. I'll show you guys her in a bit. We are out. We are in town because we have an appointment to go to for Sarah. We are going to get Sarah passport done today, and we have a 3 o'clock appointment for that because we will be taking a trip sometime soon, and of course when the time comes we'll tell you guys where exactly we'll be going and all that good stuff. But we need to get mama passport done ASAP, so we are on it. I'm actually here sitting down waiting for babe because babe is at work and he's coming to meet us. But of course your girl is always early. I am 30 minutes in advance, so I'm sitting down and waiting for babe to get here in 30 minutes so that we can be at our appointment on time. So that's what we're up to right now. The cousins are home chilling today. I'm just out to the appointment and get back home in a bit. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Baby girl is here. She is sleeping as usual because that's what she does. Sleep, eat, poop, and repeat. So she's here just napping away. Let me show you guys her right now. There she is, my little cutie. And I take off her headband because it keeps sliding off. That's her headband for her outfit. I love putting her in these little cute outfits. But yeah, I'm gonna close this back because the light disturbing her sleep. The sun, not even the light, the sun. So there she is chilling. Come. So Tyler and I just sitting here. He's having a snack as soon as you don't want any more? You aren't hungry? Tyler just asked for a snack. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are just staying. That's all you asked for it?
May I have juice, please, Mama?
Sure, it's in the bag, in the white bag. Hopefully you guys are just staying positive and staying cool in this heat. It's not so hot today. It's still hot, but it's not that scorching bad. Yeah, so let's have a good day. Whatever it is that we're doing today, just keep on it. Keep your head up. Keep blessed. Keep motivated. I love you guys. You guys, look what we on the roadside playing.
Play with me.
Yeah, I'm gonna play with you, but you need not to cheat. Look at him.
That.
Okay, my turn. Butterfly.
I don't have no match.
It's okay, let it stay. Cow.
Cat. Cow. Pig. Oh.
Ladybug. Hedgehog. Ah.
Hedgehog. Hedgehog.
My turn, ladybug. Why am I pick up the same
No,
one?
my turn.
Oh yes, I'm sorry. Dog. Remember where the dog is. Ta -na 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 -na. Oh no. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Lady bird. Cat. Cow.
Mm-hmm. Good job. All right. Oh, your turn again. Ladybug.
Lady bird.
Oh, you're too good. Butterfly, cat, bird, dog, duck,
Mama, can
cat,
you take it
cat,
to the
cat. No, cat, cat.
Here, this time now, pick the dog.
Why you want me to pick the dog? Oh no. Oh, the bird again. I think I remember where that one is. Ah! You got it. Good job. Dog. Oh, the frog.
Your turn. Butterfly. Duck.
Oh, oh. Your turn. You beating mama. Dog. I think I remember where it is. Oh no. Oh no. Ah. You weren't looking. Dog.
Your turn again.
I think these don't have match.
Yes.
They don't have any match. You leave them at home. Good game. What did you say?
Count how many you have.
Okay, I only have 1, 2, 3 matches. How many matches you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6 matches.
6,
Yes. Good job. He came to my room and the first thing he says, Mama, can you take a picture of me and sister, please? I trick you. It's not picture, it's recording. It's Faves. Say morning, Faves. Alright, let me take the picture. Hey Faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. As you guys can see, we are at the beach starting up today's vlog. I'm at the beach with all the fam bam and all the cousins, and we're just here having a good day. It's the first day coming to the beach since we're here because we've been so busy going so many other places, and some days I couldn't leave the house, as you guys may or may not know that I just have a baby. And there she is, sleeping away. And you best believe that Sarah have her swimsuit and ready in the bag, but she's sleeping, and I don't think I'll be bringing her in the water because she's been just sleeping, and the water might be a little bit too harsh for her because it's very salty. So yeah, we are just here. All the cousins are here, babies at work, they're screaming in their comfort zone because that's what they do, scream all day every day, and they can't do that at home where we live. So when they're out in an area like this, they're screaming. And Marian is there. Mary! And Tyler is there with the vest on, and all the kids are right here at the front. So we're just having a good day. And Sarah is here twitching like she's about to wake up. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Stay away from negative people. Stay away from naysayers, like I always tell you guys. Look at Mama waking up. She waking up. Anyway, I'm going to attend to Sarah now. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Love you guys. Look who is in swimsuit. Hey, Goodie, come on. Yes, Goodie. Hi. Goodie, come on. We take over. Yes, Miguel, take over. Yes, take over. Yes, Goodie. Take over. Yes, Goodie. Goodie, sun in your eye. Goodie, sun in your eye, Goodie. My baby in her swimsuit. Look at her. Hey, it's your first beach day. First beach day? Mama ain't trying in no water though, just chilling right here. Typhoon friends plus his cousins to play with. I just here chilling out of the sun, honey. We ain't going in no water and in no sun.
Короче, ладно, я их поманила. Потом они начали выход. Решили свалить на выход. Пришла та уже помашка с мальчиком, полиция собрала их. Миша скучно, давай носиться. Мне подключили, да. Короче, досмотрели фильм, включает свет, а он в корпус в зала рассудит. Вылетает эта мамашка.
Hello.
Несется
My princess. My baby.
Она подбегает.
My pretty girl.
Ребенок раскрытый, он не давал смотреть. Извините, что? Ничего не сказала. Ты не подошел к башке, выбежал первый зал, чтобы постучать. Это пылесосит, что тебе? Да, я даже чуть-чуть наплакала. Ну, конечно, все один в один слово как в мультике. Вот прям. Хотя бы что-нибудь добавили, там, спецэффекты. Для публики 30+. Вот те...
Princess living her best life. Her best sleep life.
Like bloody Mission Impossible dinner.
Hey, Mummy. Hold it to record. Quickly. It's already recording.
I know, stay at the front, Marianne. It's recording you. Go on. Go in the water.
Record high. Record high. Look at this one. I can't stop. I'm going to rinse them off. That's why I'm doing it for water. I'm resting stone. Look at this tiny one. This one. It's making a mess.
Ty, don't go far.
He got a proper blowtorch.
Yeah.
Can I say hey guys? Hey guys! I'm just washing off some stones with stone and water. I'm using this. It's quite wet right now. So, I'm rinsing them off because they got a tiny bit of salt and I want to keep them clean. I got sunburn here. Mario, can you pass me the spade? The Mario, the spade! gonna make it.
Rowena.
Then what's your favorite?
The stones.
Yes, but I need water.
So the water that you want more water than what you're looking at?